how to log in to Viki account. So if you want to log in to your Viki account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Viki, and after searching go for the first search, which is www.viki.com, and it will take you to the website. So to log into your account, here on the upper right you will have login option, but if you don't have an account, then you can go for create account, which is here on the upper side. So simply click on login to log into your account, and now to log in you need to enter your email, and after entering your email you need to enter your password, or you can also continue with your Google, Facebook, Apple, or your Rakuten. So simply enter your password, but if you forgot your password, then you can click on reset password and then you can reset it. So simply enter your password and then click on continue, and after clicking on continue your account will be logged in. So that's it, that's how you log into your Viki account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.